This is the banana I'm going to grow. This is the tiger name of flowers. The banana is 5 months. It's 5 months old. This is the small plant of guava. And then this is the papaya. The papaya is full of delicious. Pwedeng gawin itong juice ang papaya. At pwede ito ilagay sa mga gawaing gulay, utan. This is the flowers like a plastic. Hello guys, good morning. God bless you. Shout out to all viewers and shout out to all subscribers in my YouTube channels and shout out to all nation. God bless and good morning. Welcome to Bacolod City, Negros Occidental. This flowers it came from the Bacolod City, Negros Occidental. The very beautiful flowers like a plastic, but iba naman ito compare sa ibang flowers. This is the small plant of coconut. Coconut is good for health. Ito ang ginagawa mga butong ubuko. Ito po ang coconut. Maliit pa. This is the another flowers. Sechiricas. And together with some of plant of coconut. This is the cabbage or katumbal in dialect. The lamponaya is good medicine. Kung napilayan tayo, pwede ito. Tambal ito ang lamponaya. Good medicine. More flowers again. There's the flowers like a plastic. This is the orchids. The orchid is a very beautiful. I'm going to grow now every day. And maybe someday you can produce flowers. The flowers of one is like the color is violet. The very beautiful flowers there in Bacolod City, Negros Occidental. You can watch at how to comments my videos. Are there 24 vlog open now to open all flowers there in Bacolod City, Negros. There's flowers is for you. This is the gabi. Another flowers. The tigre, the flowers medicine. Papaya. Isa na lang po ang leaf ng papaya. Kasi po natanggal ito pag dating dati ng hangin o pag-ulan. The bigger plants of flowers na makikita nyo po sa abroad, ngayon dito na po ninyo makikita sa amin sa Bacolod City. The very beautiful flowers is a very big, like the queen of the night flowers, but is a bigger to compared to the queen of the night flowers. The queen of the flowers is hindi siya matatagpuan kasi konti lang dito ang queen of the night flowers. Queen of the night flowers is napoproduce ito ng bulak exactly 12 PM ng gabi, 12 night. At mahal ito po. Piliin ang queen of the night. So sa queen of the night flowers, because siya po nagbubulak ng pagdating ng hating gabi ng alas 12. At baka ilang araw makikita nyo ito po. Makadownload kami po ng Queen of the Night flowers. Thank you guys, good morning and God bless you.